Guys, look at my new robe. It's not the black one. Because she's a nude chick now. It's navy blue now. Better holla at me. Alright, so welcome to today's video. And today is our February premium BoxyCharm unboxing. It's a premium BoxyCharm unboxing. A premium BoxyCharm unboxing. Because we're all rich now. So we can afford the premium BoxyCharm. Alright, BoxyCharm unboxing. And we're going to get right into it because I don't do intros. So subscribe. Let's move on. Let's just get it open here. Wow. The theme for this month, it's hugs and kisses. I hope you got hugs. I hope you got kisses. I hope you got more than hugs and kisses. Love that. Let's start here. Let's go in order here. The Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette. It's worth $29. It's create limitless looks from soft, pretty glam to bold runway styles with these pigment-powered palettes containing a variation of 9 mattes. Wow, high shine metallics and next generation shimmer swirls. So I feel like I've seen these everywhere, but in my possession because I can't afford it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute, so cute. So we will be testing these out. The LMEs. I had something from LMEs before. Muscly's Active Body Oil, a fast-absorbing body oil containing powerful synergy of extracts to help relax and ease tension of tired muscles. Stress-free. Infused with maritime, sea buckthorn, sea fennel, and rosemary essential oil. That's good. It envelops you in a calming, uplifting fragrance. My God. While softening and soothing your skin, it will uplift you from all despair. I didn't say it. They said it. I didn't say it. Wow. Okay. Let's just take it. Who is this rich? Look at the packaging. Who is rich like this? Body performance, relaxing body oils, muscle tension. Apply daily after herbal bath, synergy, or sharp shower. Especially lower back, your abdomens, buttocks, and thighs. So after I work out, Soft Focus Glow Drops, illuminating the complexion and achieving a lit from within glow with new Soft Focus Glow Drops. The skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. This thing is $60. This must gonna be paying somebody's bills or something. Look at the beauty. Focus camera. Wow. Yeah. Luminous drops. Luminous drops. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. Oh, Decite. Is that the name of Is that how you pronounce it? Oh, Decite. Blue Aura Cleansing Water. A powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. I know that's right, honey. Because it just takes a long time for me to be washing sometimes. Energized by purifying Ayurvedic herbs, sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step. Specially formulated to combat skin-damaging pollutants before they take their toll. Who writes this? Before they even take a toll on you. Let me just go ahead and get that out of the way for you. Let me remove it for you. I know that's right. Is this it? Oh, Decite, California. God, today. Cleansing water. Wow. So it's like a micellar water. Okay. We are fortunate. We are blessed. Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. Get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partners in line, okay? Best-selling vegan dual-ended liner. Oh, I got to see both sides. Has waterproof liquid and gel formulas that will cause serious double takes. Cute. It's cute. This product is full-size, made just for charmers, and is not for retail sale. So you can only get this if you are a member, okay? A subscriber to BoxyCharm. Y'all better get it together. We get exclusive things around here. I don't know about you, but you can't get mine in the store. Okay, so we have a felt tip, and then the other one is like a, you know, like that water line, like a cream gel liner, you know? Alrighty, Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Didn't we already get this? We got this already. I have this. Let me put some on because unbeknownst to y'all, my lips was bleeding before I started filming this video. I told y'all I went too long without some on my lips, and look what happened to me. I think I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on. I don't know why, but I don't expect a lot of fallout from this. So I'm gonna put everything on. We'll come back and use this palette and the liner. And that is basically all we got as far as makeup is concerned. And then we'll move on. The rest of the products, if y'all wanna know how they work, let me know. Cause I really use up all my BoxyCharm products. I really do, because they're luxury. Okay, these things are expensive. They're from the Garden of Eden. All the ingredients. Just give me a moment here. So we have a majority of our base on. Let's move on in. All right, so I'm gonna start with, do these have names? No? Okay, great. Oh yeah, they do. Oh no, they don't. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the deepest one I can see, and I'm just gonna put this generously over the eye. All right, so I have that on my lid. It's not that it's not working. It's just that I don't know if it's pigmented enough for my skin tone, you know? I definitely see the purple. You see it. I know y'all can see it, and I see it in my view. I did think it was gonna be more pigmented than this though, like even more. I thought it was gonna be like even more vibrant than this, to be honest. But okay, now I'm just gonna slap one of the shiny shades in the middle. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I was gonna try more, but I don't really think it's gonna be much of a difference on my skin tone as far as like the color. So I'm just gonna pop this. See, that is genius. Like, that is amazing. Yeah, that's just absolutely crazy. I don't know, I just feel like every palette should have like a dark brown. I don't care what your color story is. Stick it on the side, put it in the back of the palette on the bottom so we can open it up and just get a little. I just feel like every palette should have that. I don't know what to darken this with, because this is that's the darkest one. So I'll just blend around it with that same shade. You know what I do want to do though? I want to use this. I just want to see what it is and how it differs from others. Okay, I don't really see too much of a difference. I am going to take, let's see, I'm gonna take this more on the champagne side. It's a little peachish, champagne-ish. And I'm gonna use that as the inner corner. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it simple, guys. I would love to go in with purple. Y'all know I don't mind using purple. If you go back in my old time videos, like baby girl used to do all type of colorful looks. But I don't think they're gonna show up. Like I don't think they're gonna show up on me. I don't think that shade would be flattering on me. I'm just doing the two in the middle. I don't think that's gonna look good on me. This lighter one, I think it'll be true to color, but I feel like it's just gonna look like the deeper one, which I'll swatch next to it. I don't think it would. Okay, so I have everything on. Let me tell y'all something. I know y'all saw a little bit of a clip, and I was on the phone with my sister, I'm sorry. But that wing, this liner, this was like one of the easiest wings that I have ever done. I don't know who the manufacturer is, but the point is absolutely amazing. It's just like, you could just literally like draw it. You don't have to like slant it anyway. No, you could just like go like this and just, when you do the slightest stroke, like it just creates the best point. Just so you guys know, the lip that I have on is the Juvia's Place lipstick. You know that nude collection they came out with in the shade Toffee. Love this shade, love it. So let's add up the box and be on our way. The pastel palette is $29. The active body oil is $63.50. The soft focus glow drops, which I forgot to use, are $60. The Blue Aura cleansing water is $39. The double take eyeliner, the dual ended liner, is the $24. And the sweet orange and coconut lip balm is $33 for lips. $248.50. My thing is, I'm rich. Y'all have a good day, because I'm done. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, y'all. I will see you guys in Monday's vlog. All right, Monday or Tuesday's vlog. Don't quote me. But I love y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.